Om Swastiastu. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Namo Buddhaya dan salam harmoni. Welcome back to our video, and in this case we'll explaining about limit 103. What is limit 103? In limit 103 we'll explaining about theorem in limits, and also we will doing and discussing about limit from the module and from the other topics as like we usually do. So let's go into the material. But before we go to the material, let me introduce myself. As you already know, my name is Putu Ananda Savitri, usually called Ananda or Nanda. My student number is 2215101057.
Hello, my complete name is Ivonia Fatima Viegas with the students number 22151010 and 85.
Limit theorem, there's a lot of limit theorem that we need to know for every limit problem that we'll solve to you someday.
Now here I'm going to explain about the theorem limits. There are a lot of limit theorems that we need to know for every limit problem that we'll solve someday by using all of these formula. So let's get started with the first examples. So here's the first examples from the module. Look for the displayed border and indicate that it doesn't exist. First question is limit x to 2x squared plus 7x squared plus 10 per x plus 2. Use these theorems and change it. By using this formula, limit x to c fx per gx equal limit x to c fx per limit x to c gx, as long as limit x to c gx not equal to 0. By using this formula, we change it into or substitute it into this equation. Limit x to 2x squared plus 7x squared plus 10 per limit x to 2x plus 2. Limit, now we make it separated. Limit x to 2x squared plus 7x squared plus limit x to 2 10 per limit x to 2x this one plus limit x to 2 2 this one, make it separated, and limit x to 2x squared plus limit x to 2 7x squared plus 10 per 2 plus 2 here came from this. Substitute the x with the 2, and 2 is 2, and limit x to 2x squared plus 7 times limit x to 2x squared plus 10 per 2 plus 2. So become x here, we change it into, substitute it with the 2. Here's 2 plus 2 squared plus 7 times limit x to 2x squared plus 10 per 2 plus 2. So become 2 squared plus 7 times 2 squared plus 10 per 2 plus 2. Then simplified, become this 2 squared, it means 2 times 2 is 4, and 2 times 2 is 4, 7 times 4 is 28, and 4 plus 28 plus 10 it's 42. 2 times 2 plus 2 is 4, and then 42 per 4 simplify, we divide it by 2. 42 divided by 2 it's 21, and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So we can write also like this, 10 1 per 2, or 10.5 in a decimal numbers. Here's the examples from the model. Now let's try another examples from the reference. Here are the examples from the reference. If you know limit x to 2 fx equal 5 and limit x to 2 gx equal -4, then with this limit theorem calculate that limit x to 2 times fx, 2fx plus 3gx quadrat. Then the solution is, substitute, we already know the value of fx is 5 and the value of gx is -4. We substitute it. 2 times 5 plus 3 times -4 quadrat. 2 times 5 is 10, and plus a negative, positive negative is negative, and 3 times 4 is 12 quadrat. And then 10 minus 12 is -2, -2 quadrat. -2 quadrat, it means -2 times -2 is 4. Yeah, that's it. Hope you can understand.
I will explaining one of the question from the module. Find the limit that chosen, or explaining that there's not. So the question is limit x to 1 of x squared times x minus 2 of x squared minus 1. So for the first thing you want to do is write down again the question and then change the middle x with a different type of writing. So because in middle x is only like x, you can choose you can put it like 2x minus x. So limit x to 1 equal x limit x to 1 of x squared plus 2x minus x minus 2 of x squared minus 1. So like broke down the x squared minus 1, becoming the limit x to 1 x squared plus 2x minus x minus 2 of x min 1 times x plus 1. And then break down the x squared into x times x plus 2 minus x minus x minus 2 of x minus 1 times x plus 1. And then we can eliminate the x minus 1 and make it into limit x to 1 of x plus 2 divided to x plus 1. Change the x into the 1, so we find like 1 plus 2 divided to 1 plus 1 equal 3 divided by 2, or we can say it's 1.5. And then for the other question from the source, if we find out that lim x to 2 absolute fx equal 5 and limit x to 2 absolute gx equal -4, so for the find the terra limit and please count the limit x to 2 of gx squared minus 6 cube. So the square is only for the limit gx, and then the cube is for all of it from the limit gx into minus 6. So write down again the question and find out the limit gx is already like -4. So -4 square minus 6 cube. So we find out that's 16 minus 6 cube. 16 minus 6 equal 10, so 10 cube equal 100. The answer is 1000. So the answer is 1000. That's all about the limits 1 of 3, about the theorem limit. I'm really sorry if there's any explanation that you guys can understand. For the next video, we'll explaining about limit 1 of 4. So please stay tuned. And now I'll close the video. So Om, Santi 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 Om. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Namo Buddhaya dan salam harmoni. See you to the next video. Bye bye.